In today's video, I will walk you through how to find trading pairs on dYdX. To begin, navigate to the dYdX trading dashboard. Near the top of the trading screen, you'll find the current market name. Selecting it opens the market list, where you can browse all available trading pairs supported on the platform. If you're looking for a specific asset, use the search bar at the top of the market list. Simply type the name or ticker symbol of the cryptocurrency you want to trade. As you type, dYdX filters the results, making it much faster to locate the market you're interested in. As you browse different trading pairs, you'll also notice useful market information displayed alongside each one. Depending on the interface, you may see the current price, 24-hour price change, trading volume, and other market statistics. These details can help you compare markets before deciding which one you'd like to trade. You can also switch between trading pairs at any time while using the platform. Simply reopen the market list, choose another pair, and the trading interface will instantly update to reflect the newly selected market. This allows you to monitor multiple opportunities without leaving the trading page. And that's how to find trading pairs on dYdX.